Hello students, today we'll learn some of the geometry problems. So this is actually the geometry part 1. In this video you will be learning about how to solve or how to find out the angles of the unknown side, such as a straight line or quadrilateral or having equal sides. How we can find out the value of the unknown side. Okay, first of all, for the introduction, I would like to introduce some of the formulas you need to learn. That is, formula number 1, from if there is a straight line, that is angles on a straight line. If the angles are situated like this on a straight line, then suppose A, B, C, D. Okay, the formula then will be A plus B plus C plus D equal to 180. That means for the angles on a straight line, the equation will be A plus B. You have to add all the angles and the value will be equal to 180, so that we can write as sum of the angles of a straight line, and this is actually equal to 180. Okay, and then formula number 2, that comes like, from any point, consider from any point, if angles form like this, and say A, B, C, D, E. These are the angles from a point. They form the angles from a point. Then the formula for these will be A plus B plus C plus D plus E, and these will be equal to 360. Okay, and the formula and the name of the theory is angles from a point. Okay, the name of the formula will be angles from a point, that is, from any point, if the angles form like this, you can add up and the summation will be equal to 360. Okay, the summation will be equal to 360. And some of the basic knowledge, that is, say for example, this is a triangle given, and it is marked like this. Okay, it is marked like this. So you have to think that angle and these angle are equal to each other, because these two indicates the equal line. The line are of same length. So since the line are of same length, there will be equal part, the value of the angles will be equal as well. Okay, and then this one will be a B value or some other like that. Okay, and if it is given like this, you might see that the triangle is given like this. That means all the angles are equal, A and A. Okay, all the angles are equal. Okay, so the formula for a triangle, we know, if this is a triangle A, B, C, if this is a triangle, take into consideration, that is formula number 3, that is A plus B plus C, these will add up to 180 degree, and the theory for this is sum of the angles of a triangle. Okay, you can use the symbol or the word, that is sum of the angles of a triangle. Okay, sum of the angles of a triangle. So are you clear with the formulas? Okay, I hope you are clear with the video, that is the formula I have introduced here. One more thing, that is, during calculation will also find some of the new formulas, new ways of finding the value. That is, there might be a combined session of angles of a point and angles on a straight line. The straight line might be this curve or this curve. It's not a problem. The straight line will be this one or this one. It's not a problem, because all straight line always, sum of the angles on a straight line is always equal to 180. So don't get confused, either the straight line is the horizontal or vertical or a curve like this. Okay, so let's move to the solution, the problems we need to solve. Okay, these are the problem we need to solve. That is, the first math is given the angles on a straight line. You can see clearly the angles on a straight line, that is 25, A and 60. So how to solve this math? We need to find the value of A. So as we know that the angles on a straight line is 180, so we can create a formula like this. Okay, 25 plus A plus 60 equal to 180. So this is the formula for this equation, and now we have to solve the equation for A. Okay, so 25 plus 60 is 85. 85 plus A equal to 180. So if A, that is 180 minus 85, 180 minus 85 comes like A equal to 95 degree. Okay, for confirmation you can use the calculator. That is 180 minus 85, it comes like 95. Okay, so this is correct. So the value of A is 95. Okay, for the next problem is angles from a point. That is, the angles have been created from a point. So we have to use the formula, that is D plus 55 plus 96 plus 132. 96 plus 132, this is equal to 360. Okay, you can write the theory here as sum of the angles on a straight line, and this is the angles from a point. You can write the theory also if needed. Okay, so I am writing for the betterment, that is sum of the angles of a straight line. Okay, sum of the angles of a straight line, and this is sum of the angles from a point. Okay, do not get confused if this is the symbol used for the angles. You know, that is, we have read in class 3 or 4 like this, they use the angle symbol like this. Okay, so for the solving the formula, that is D plus 55 plus 96 plus 132, this is 283. So D plus 283 equal to 360. Okay, so D equal to 360 minus 283. So the value of D is 360 minus 283, 77. Okay, 77 degree. So this is the value for the D. I hope you are clear with this solution. Okay, now we are moving, let's have a check. Okay, now we are moving to the third problem. That is, it's a triangle drawn here. The E is labeled outside of the diagram. So sometimes solving geometry you need reconstruction. That is, you need to have some imaginary angles. That is, I can suppose I can label this as A. Okay, I can label this as A. So according to E and A, this is a straight line. So you can write here E plus A equal to 180. We can have it later for the use. First we need to find the value of A. Okay, for finding the value of A, we need 71 plus 58 plus a. This is a triangle, a complete triangle. So sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So the law is sum of the angles of a triangle. Okay, the law is sum of the angles of a triangle. So the value of a plus, it is 129. 71 plus 58 is 129 equal to 180. So a equal to 180 minus 129. Okay, a equal to 180 minus 129, that is a equal to, the value is 180 minus 129, that is 51. 51 degree is the value of a. So I hope these three were very easy for you guys. Let's have a check the full view of the maths. I hope you are clear with these three solutions. Okay, now we are moving on to the next session. These are the new problems we need to solve. That is a quadrilateral given, a triangle, similar problems, but you need to use the technique as you already know the formulas. Okay, so for this, since it is a quadrilateral, we know that sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Okay, beg your pardon, sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Okay, so we can write the formula like this: 80 plus 72 plus 113 plus f equal to 360. So the law is sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. Okay, sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. So solve the equation, that is f plus 80 plus 72 plus 113. Okay, it comes like 265. Okay, so 265 equal to 360. So f equal to 360 minus 265, that is f equal to 360 minus 265, 95 degree. So this is the value, 95 degree. Okay, it was a easy math as you can see. Okay, moving on to the next solution, that is the triangle drawn. You have to also use the reconstruction here as well, because the value of a is unknown. The value of a is unknown. Okay, so the value of a is 140 plus, okay, let's take this angle as b, this angle as c. Okay, b and c. So you can see the relation between 140 and b is a straight line, and c plus 145 is also a straight line. So we need to find out the value like this, that is, first of all, 140 plus b equal to 180, since they are straight line. Okay, so b comes like 180 minus 140. Okay, that is b equal to 40 degree. And for c plus 145, since it is also a straight line, these will also add up to 180. So c equal to 180 minus 145, that is c equal to 35 degrees is the answer. Okay, so we have the value of b and c. Now the value of a. As you can see, this is a triangle, this is a triangle, so adding all the angles will be equal to 180 degree, that is a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree. Okay, a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree. So we have the value for b and c. B comes 40 and c comes 35, equal to 180 degree, that is a equal to 180 minus 75. These two will add up to 75, so this is minus 75, that is a equal to 105 is the answer. Okay, I hope you are clear with this solution. So first of all, you need to take the imaginary angle and then find the value of them, and then the value, the angle given, that is need to find was A. So now using the values of B and C, we can easily find out the value of A as well. Okay, now this number 6 is not a complex math, but as you can see, B and 146 is a straight line. B and 146 is a straight line. Okay, so let's find out the value of B first. B plus 146 equal to 180 degree. B plus 146 equal to 180 degree, that is B equal to 180 minus 146, that is B equal to how much? 180 minus 146, that is 34. Okay, so this value is 34. Okay, and if you can notice that A forms an angle from a point, that is this A, this A, this A forms the angle from the point, that is we know angles from a point add up to 360, that is A plus A plus A equal to 360, that is 3A equal to 360. So the value of A is 360 divided by 3, it comes like A equal to 120 degree. Okay, so we have the value A, we have the value for B, and for the value of C we need to use this triangle. For the value of C we need to use this triangle. Okay, so the law is A plus B plus C, that is 180 degree. A plus B plus C, that is 180 degree. We have the value for A, that is 120. For the value of B is 34, and the C is unknown, 180. Okay, so C plus 154, these two add up to 154 equal to 180. So C equal to 180 minus 154 comes like C equal to how much? 180 minus 154 comes like 26 degree. Okay, so this is the value of C. This is the complete value of C. This is the value of C. Okay, now we will move to some of complex solution. Before going to the next solution, let's rewind for the previous page. That is the value of A has 51, so what is the value of E? This is number 3, the previous math we have solved. So E plus 51 equal to 180, that is I have written out already, that is E equal to 180 minus 51, so E comes like 129 degree. Okay, 129 degree. Okay, we are moving on to the next 3 solution. So these are the next 3 solution we have to solve. Have a keen eyes. Okay, these are very important maths, have a keen eyes. Okay, as you can see, this triangle is labeled this one, so we will take into consideration that this line and this line are of equal length, so the angle will also be same, as I have told you earlier in the formula. Since they are signed like this, they are indicated like this, so the length are of equal value, okay, so A and A will also, the angles will be also of the same length, same value. Okay, so first of all, for finding out A we need to find out this value. For find out A we need to find this value. So using 22 and 46 we need to find out this unknown side. Suppose this is B. As I have told you earlier, you can take the imaginary angle to find out the value of the unknown sides given. You can take imaginary angles. Okay, so B here, B plus 46 plus 22 equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is a triangle, so 180 degrees. So B equal to 180 minus 46 plus 22 comes like 68. Okay, so 180 minus 68. So B equal to 180 minus 68 comes like 112. Okay, so this is the answer for B. Okay, and now you can easily see that B and A have a straight line relationship. B and A have a straight line relationship. So B plus A equal to 180 degree as well. So A equal to 180 minus B. So A equal to 180, B was 112. So the value of A is 68. Okay, the value of A is 68. Now since A is 68, this is also 68, so using this triangle we'll find out the value of this x. Using this triangle we'll find out this x. Okay, so a plus x equal to 180 degrees, since it is also a triangle. Okay, so x equal to 180 minus twice a, because a plus a is twice a. You will shift this to that side, that is 180 minus twice a. X equal to 180 minus 2 into 68. Okay, 2 into 68, that is x is let's check in the form, 2 multiply 68, 44. So the value of x is 44. Isn't it easy? I hope this is easy math. Okay, if you have any problem, please rewind the video. Okay, now solving number 8. This is a complex, a rather pretty easy and complex math, so take it easy. If you can take something very easy, you will have easy touch of understanding this. Okay, so the first step is to find out the value of b. Since 60 and 44 is given, we need to find out the value of b using b plus 44 plus 60 equal to 180. So b equal to 180 minus 104, as 44 plus 60 is 104, so b equal to 76 degree. Okay, b equal to 76 degree. So b is already, we have find out b. For finding out a, we need to find out the value of this one and this one. Okay, for finding out a, we need to get the value of this angle and this angle. Okay, so I am taking it as b and this is as c. As you can see, 130 plus b is a straight line and c plus 60 is also a straight line. So let's get into it. That is 130 plus b equal to 180 degree. Since it is a straight line, so b's value is 50 and c plus 60. Okay, c plus 60 is also a straight line, so the value of c is how much? 120. Okay, so we have find out the value of b and c. For a, that is a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree. Okay, so how to find out the value of a? That is 180 minus b minus c. So 180, b's value is 50, c's value is 120. Okay, c's value is 120, 60 and 120. So the value of a is 10 degree. Okay, so the value of a is 10 degree, as you can see it clearly. Now we have find out, with the very first stage we have find out the value of b, and then we have find out the value of b and c by taking them as imaginary angles, and using their formula we have found out the value of a. Okay, okay, for the last math of this geometry part 1 is this diagram. Okay, so how to find out the value of this one? As you can see, that is this angle and this angle are equal. Okay, so what we can do is, taking this as the imaginary angle, that is a for the first stage, that is a, as this is the imaginary angle. So a plus 42 plus 50, a plus 42 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree, since it is a triangle. Okay, so a's value is 180 minus 92, since 42 plus 50 is 92. So the value of a is 180 minus 92, that is 180 minus 92 is 88. Okay, so the value of a is 88. Now as we know, this is a straight line, okay, since this is a straight line, this angle and this angle is equal, and the relationship for them is their vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle is always equal to each other. Okay, vertically opposite angle is always equal. Okay, so how they are equal? If you can take this as b, okay, I am taking this value as b, so a plus b equal to 180 degree. So b equal to 180 minus 88, so b's value is 92, isn't it? B's value is 92. So if you again add up A and B, the value of A will be same as 88, and that's why A and this A is vertically opposite angle. Okay, that's why this A and this A is vertically opposite angle. So we have the value of B and now we are taking this as C. Okay, we are taking this as C. Since we have B and 50 as value, so C plus B plus 50 equal to 180 degrees. Since this is also a triangle, so C equal to 180 minus 50, and the value of B is 92. So 92, that is 180 minus 50 minus 92, 38. So the value of C is 38. Value of C is 38. This is step 1, this is step 2, and this is step 3. Okay, now for the step 4, C, E and E, this is also a straight line. They are also forming a straight line. So C plus E equal to 180 degrees, since they are straight line. Okay, so twice E equal to 180 minus C. E equal to 180 minus 138 divided by 2, that is 180 minus 38, 140 divided by 2 is 71. So E is 71 degree. Okay, E is 71 degree. For the step 5, we have to find out the value of F. Find out the value of F, that is A, E and F. We have the value of E, we have the value of A, and to find out F, this is also a triangle. Okay, so F plus E plus A equal to 180 degree. F equal to 180 minus A minus E, that is the value of F equal to 180. For the value of A is 88 given, and the value of E is 71. So the value of F, is 180 minus 71 minus 88 is 21. So the value of F is 21. So this is how you need to solve the complex diagrams math. You need to first think how to solve them, and then you will use your formula, because nothing without formula is easy to solve the maths as well. So if you have any problem regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section. Stay safe.